So this whole purpose of life, it's like, why am I here? This is the question that we're always having. There are so many reasons of why, but there is only one reason of the soul's why. The soul wants to express itself in this dimension. And it wants to express its love, it wants to express its wisdom, it wants to express its dance in this present moment. The heart is a very powerful tool, but it's not that the physical heart that we're talking about. We're talking about the etheric heart. In the field of the etheric heart, we have these three dimensions of rays that you can say, pink, gold, and blue. And each one has a representation for a higher vibration of higher dimensional expression of love into this dimension. And it is basically the unification of the positive and negative charge into your charge here. And it's like the Mother, the Father, and the Holy Spirit. Uh, so the pink is representative of the Mother. The gold is the wisdom of the Father. And the blue is the internal part of you that is ready to step into the fifth dimension. All of these qualities that are very important for us, especially after these eclipses, it's like they always disrupt what is in the field, and they disrupt for a reason so we can come into what's within us. There is acceptance, forgiveness. I love all of these. So this whole purpose of life, it's like, why am I here? This is the question that we're always having. There are so many reasons of why, but there's only one reason of the soul's why. The soul wants to express itself in this dimension. And it wants to express its love, it wants to express its wisdom, it wants to express its dance in this present moment. But you have a free will. And during the time of Lemuria or Atlantis, when the earth was in a different state of consciousness, we were one with these vibrations. So we were not searching, who am I? We knew who we are. We are now coming back to that. It is expressing the rays of light of your soul into this dimension. And how is it done? It is done by uniting the rays of the heart. The rays of the heart don't think, don't worry, don't hold on to the past, don't think of the future. They are in the presence of emanation. They're in the presence of constantly radiating light. And within that light, there are codes. And those codes transfer through time and space, through every existing solid thing. It's beyond the words. See, words came in later. They're limited because the frequency vibration has several meanings in different octaves. But the word has one meaning according to the text, and it's so limited. So it's through the space of feeling, being, we are able to really tap into the Christ itself. Silence is very powerful, it's very needed, because there's a lot that is expressed through that space. But when we try to get into silence, our mind kicks in. So we're constantly looking for silence. So when you get into that space, don't look for silence. It is being authentic to yourself. The vibration of authenticity emanates through the heart space, because the heart space goes through all the fields, all the energy bodies. That's the only part that goes through all the energy bodies. The second chakra, the solar plexus, the throat, they're not in every single energy body, but the heart is in every single energy body.